What's she doing? You're caressing her. She's so long.
Hey, sorry for the jump scare. This video is really old. This is like a whole year and a half later, so just don't mind that. And I'm really sorry if I'm like being really loud and annoying. I feel like I sound like a completely different person when I can't hear myself talking, or like I don't even know who the hell that was just there. But that's that. But yeah. Enjoy the video. Sorry for if it's really like if I'm yelling too much or I'm doing weird things, but better late than never, right? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with Fia, my sister, and her two friends,
Gianna. Basilia.
Oh, and Hershey. Oh, yeah. We're dressed up in pink because we're gonna watch the Barbie movie today, and we're gonna do the blind, mute, deaf, and no hands challenge. We're gonna bake stuff, so this is gonna be fun. So we're gonna bake funfetti cupcakes, and then we're gonna try and decorate them like Barbie themed. So we have all of our little ingredients and frosting and everything. We're gonna go ahead and get our gadgets on. All right guys, next up,
a style switcheroo. A model needs to master the quick change.
Okay, now we put Hershey down. Okay, wait, let me say Alright guys, so Gianna is going to be blind. I have my AirPods in, I'm going to be deaf. Fia here is mute, and Basilia is in handcuffs. I'm going to start my music so I can't hear anything, and then we're going to begin. Let's start the cooking. We need 1 cup of water. Get the water. Get the water. Okay. Get the water. Get the water. Half a cup of oil. Who wants to get the oil?
Go, let's do it. Wait, where's Sarah? Why didn't Sarah do it? Where is she?
Who wants to get the oil?
You!
Me?
Yeah!
I don't know where it is.
Oh, it's your house.
Do we not have oil? Oh my god.
You can use butter instead.
Oh my god, stop! Oh, you got it?
Oh, you don't have?
Yeah.
You don't have? You do? Where? Basilia.
Measure. Would you? Are we doing the eggs first?
No, the powder.
Are we doing the eggs first? What do you do? Oh, the powder.
Powder.
She can't. Gianna.
Powder.
Come on, Gianna.
Wait, what am I doing?
Pouring the powder.
It's Sophia.
She's doing that to you.
Oh, ew, don't.
Okay, Gianna.
Okay, yeah. I got it. I don't. Oh, there's cool. Okay. I think you should stir.
Huh?
Stir. Oh yeah, have her stir with her mouth, like.
Oh yeah.
Thanks, Sophia. Nice.
Oh, so Gianna should crack 1 egg. Okay, now Gianna cracks an egg.
Sarah doesn't know what you're saying. Wait, why am I cracking on here?
Crack it into the glass, and then you're pouring it into the bowl.
Yeah.
Have you ever cracked an egg?
No, I don't.
Oh my god! She's never.
Bowl?
Yes. No, stop! It's right there. Stop. Oh my god!
A little bit of egg yolk onto the
Whatever.
carpet.
What are you doing?
Right there.
Why are you frozen? Wash your hands.
You?
Huh?
Give it to her.
What?
Someone turn the sink on.
What are you doing? Is there egg on your arm?
I think me and my sister can talk to each other. It's really nice.
Oh! There's a shell. Ah!
That was you, Sarah.
That was literally.
Oh, you have no
ear.
God. Where is she?
I can hear her backing up.
Can I grab it like this?
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, she can't even see it!
Sophia!
Oh my god! Oh, she just put her mouth to pour the egg.
Wait! What? This could be. This is Sophia.
Okay.
Her big arms.
Okay.
There you go. Yeah.
Oh, the oven. Skirt
You
with
got
my
it.
shades on.
No.
Oh my god, it looks so good.
She's so loud.
Alright, do you want to help me put the liners in the cupcake trays?
I can't.
Basilia, what's
with
with
your mouth.
You two do it.
You put it in with your mouth.
Okay,
We'll do it.
Okay, go. They're right there. Oh my god.
put those aside. Put those aside. Here. Now put those.
This whole row. Wait, but I put extra.
No, you put 4. There's 4.
I thought I put 5.
No.
Wait,
No,
why
I
do
took
you
it out. I
get
took it right. That one.
How many more?
One to the right, right. There. Because you want some nice. It's look pretty.
Okay, stop.
Sore. Wait,
Wait,
what are you doing?
Let me start.
Wait. I wish I could see you right now. That's probably so funny.
Gianna's pretty
Yeah,
good.
you turned it.
Yeah, I took it.
Yeah, I know. One more?
Okay, one more.
Video.
Now let's do the other tray. The other tray. The other tray.
Okay.
Carrot wrong.
Nice.
Only the outside ones. These are colors.
Only do the outside ones. Oh. Only do the middle ones. The middle 6?
Not the outside ones. All.
It's 24 cupcakes. It's 20. It's 2 times 4.
24 minutes.
What?
2 times 4, that's 8.
It's actually less than 24. Okay.
Okay.
So how many do we put there? 6?
Just a 6.
Okay.
For more, so the cupcake's gonna be bigger. So.
Wait, just look at my face.
Archie. Oh, wait. Oh, why is she So that's it?
Yeah, pour it.
Gianna should pour it or Sarah?
Sarah. Tell Sarah to pour it. What has Sarah done?
Crack a knife.
That's it? Come on, pour it. Where is she? How's it going?
Pretty. She's dumping the butter.
Who is?
Sarah.
Where's Sophia?
Sophia is
Oh. Where's Sarah?
helping,
And what are you doing?
looking.
Let me look. Can you hear the song?
Use blue tape. That's
Chocolate.
it's not gonna come off.
What?
Use the blue tape, not that tape.
My eyes are itchy, but
What?
I have mascara on.
You gotta use the blue tape.
What do I
That's
do?
bad. The skin's gonna come off. You can't leave it on too long. It's gonna rip her skin off. The tape.
Why? We're doing a challenge.
Oh.
What?
Sophia's gonna lose all her skin.
Why are you taking out the frosting already? Oh. Here, use a spoon.
That's a lot.
Oh my god, I can clean this nose. Sarah's right here.
Sarah.
What?
Sarah,
There she is. Is this her back or her shoulder? Got it.
What?
Oh.
Back.
I'm just saying who you were.
What? Why are you tapping me and saying nothing?
I'm
Or are you tapping me by accident?
Yeah, I was trying to see who you were. I
She's tapping me by
I
accident.
didn't know who you were. Okay, let me put it in this thing. Got him. Boom. Easy. It's like I know this thing by heart.
What'd your mom say?
She just wanted to know where I was.
Where were you else were you gonna be?
Because that's what my dad.
I don't know what you just said. I don't know why I asked. Does Gianna want to do
How
some?
are you doing it like that?
Does Gianna want to do some?
Do what?
The pouring
Do
the
you want
batter.
to do some?
Yeah, I'll do some.
Go to the right. Yeah.
Okay, oh my god. Hold this. This is the spatula. And you're gonna tilt it, okay? It's gonna pour.
Is it going? It's a lot, it's a lot, it's a lot, it's a lot.
No, keep on. It's not a lot.
Alright, next.
Yeah.
Am I getting it in? Stop. Wait. Yeah, stop.
Oh, lick your finger. Or you want me to lick? Oh.
I don't want to lick my finger.
Sarah's just making herself chocolate milk right now.
Yeah. Again, she had this morning. I want to fill up my water. Should I do it? Oh my god. Can someone help me? Let me know if it's on water.
What are you trying to do?
I want to fill up my water.
Do you want me to do it for you?
Yeah.
Just water?
Yeah. Ew, what was that noise over there? Really gross.
I spilled it.
Here. Can we get party cake tomorrow?
Yeah.
But I don't really want to go there because I get stressed out.
Okay.
You look like you're just staring out of the window, but like you can't even see.
Wait, I didn't know you were so close to me.
I'm gonna spin you, and you have to guess like where you're facing.
All right.
Wait, I need to fix your necklace.
Oh, please, thank you.
Okay, do you want to play?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, stop.
Ew,
That's where I was facing.
That's the same. That's the same.
Yeah, you're right. That sucked.
Do it again. Hey, fridge. Fridge.
The what?
Fridge.
No. You know el apagón?
You want me to lick it?
See.
El apagón?
For you.
I don't know any song she's saying right now. I'm just
Me?
lying and saying I know them.
Do you know the lyrics?
I know.
The lyrics are so fast. Like I wouldn't even be able to try.
I know. I have no idea what she's talking about right now.
Después de la playa.
Yes, it is. Oh, how to go? It goes slow and it goes fast.
I'll sing it for you so you can
Yeah,
like
yeah,
enjoy
yeah,
it.
yeah, yeah. Go, say it.
Tu vida se ganó de trebajo. Si su playa te rompo en fuego. Dime que tú juegas y yo llevo.
Zumba.
Después de la playa.
Si no se camó, no te hago la tomaya y no me tomamos. Mi cama, mira para yes.
Después voy y trágate. Did it turn off again?
No, no, mamo.
What
Para
did
mi
you
cama, para mañana cena.
What did I say?
Tomaya y me tomamos. Para mi cama. I don't know the words.
How long? How many minutes? 20?
Oh, I hear it.
Okay.
Wait,
Put
that's
them
not
in.
Sarah.
What?
Oh, this is Sarah.
What?
Oh, this is your boob.
You almost did. Help me.
Sophia.
Help me.
Yeah, I know you.
Watch Gianna. We're gonna open the oven so you don't get burnt. Go over there.
Over here.
Wait. I was facing the camera the whole time.
Oh my god, I ate so much sugar, I'm gonna throw up.
Yeah, after this one, this is too much batter for me.
Wait, you're still eating it?
Yeah.
Oh my god, what's wrong with you?
Don't you see I have like my hands behind my
Yeah,
back?
don't I see? Don't I see that you have your hand in it? Yeah, I do see it.
Alright guys, cupcakes are in the oven. We're gonna pause.
Can I take my mask off?
Yeah, we're gonna take a little break.
Can I take it off?
Yeah, I already stopped my
Oh my
music.
god, it's so bright.
So, we'll be back. Alright guys, we're back. The cupcakes are out of the oven, so now we're each gonna decorate one. Our goal is Barbie. Have blue, red to mix to make like a pink, and then we have some sprinkles, chocolate and vanilla frosting, and then decorating bags. Are you guys ready
Yeah.
to begin?
Yes.
Alright, let's go.
Wait, how am I putting frosting on this?
I'll open the white one for you. Frosting.
Does it not come with a tip? Bro,
No, you cut the end, you cut the end.
we paid $6 for this, it doesn't even come with a tip.
You're gonna use like the Ziploc bags?
It's pointy, and you cut
Yeah,
the
but
end.
still, the instructions show a tip. Oh! You have to buy them separately.
Like you
Don't we have? I think we have.
Okay.
We have! We have tips!
Am I getting it on?
Do you guys want a bag? Okay. Gianna? Okay.
Alright.
Let me know if you do so I can cut it. How do you fold this? I have this if it helps.
Okay, how's that look? Really?
No.
Alright. Hello?
I'm sorry. Oh, you go.
Sorry.
On me.
Well, you put your arm in the way. Alright, how's this?
It looks good. I think it could use a little bit more frosting.
She told me not to.
What?
Basilia said don't. She said no.
She's not talking?
No,
She
no.
said no frosting.
She said
You're
no
not
frosting. No.
no frosting.
No frosting?
She doesn't want me to.
You don't want a lot of frosting?
No. She doesn't want me to put more.
Oh, that's not.
Basilia! That is dye! You need to mix it with the frosting. She's putting the dye directly off the cupcake. I want to see. You need to mix it like with the white frosting.
Yeah, what are you doing?
Can you hear the music? Thought this was mold and it's just a sprinkle.
Johnny's just looking
Look.
Yeah, sorry.
I want a cupcake.
Can I have the sprinkles?
Which one?
Wait, you're sucking on my knife?
On my neck.
Well, where's my knife?
In front of you.
Fia's on a bathroom break. Slowly. I have no idea how I sound right now.
Horrible.
I don't know how I sound right now.
Really bad.
Oh shit, I forgot to do the dye.
I was supposed to do like blue eyes.
Justin Bieber has such a pretty voice.
It was Gianna. It was
Like, there was a video I saw the other day and he sounded so good.
so I'm doing.
Why are you laughing?
I'm doing blue. I was supposed to do blue eyes.
Suba.
Blue eyes.
I think I'm done.
Started.
This is so hard.
I'm done.
You're done?
Me too.
You're done?
Yeah.
Oh, show your cupcake.
So, guys, rate my cupcake.
Rate mine.
Mine's low-key really good.
Mine's like American flag.
Thumbnail. Guys, look at my cupcake. Is it giving Barbie vibes?
You're just like,
Look with my bow.
Back.
Alright, thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you guys liked everything. How do you...
Oh my God, Sophia!
Alright guys, that's all for our blind, mute, deaf, touchless baking challenge, Barbie edition. I hope you guys liked the video, and how do you guys think we did? How was it? Was it fun?
I
think I did really good.
I think my cupcake came out the best.
Okay, I don't think so.
We'll showcase our cupcakes.
No, Basilia ate mine and hers.
Oh, Basilia ate Gianna's and hers.
Fine.
This is one, and then I attempted to make a Barbie head, and then Fia made a little chocolate with pink and blue. Oh yeah, these are all our little cupcakes we made. I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.
You don't say like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.
No, because then you sound desperate. Like if you like the video, subscribe if you feel like it. You know, people are like and subscribe and share.
Right now!
Yeah.
If you comment, turn
If
on
you
post
subscribe,
notifications. 10 seconds. Can you comment down below your favorite part of the video?
Okay.
Down below.
I
How
used
you
to-
rated the Barbie movie if you watched it?
Oh yeah, we're about to go watch it
Which
right now.
cupcake is your favorite one?
Yeah.
And go try this challenge out for yourself and tag us. Our social medias linked down below
Yep.
in the subscription.
Yep. Is that all?
Yeah.
I don't know what
Okay.
else to say.
Bye guys. See y'all later.